Welcome back to Autoscope. The stunning 2026 Lamborghini Motorhome, external symbolic design, sharp aerodynamic lines. These lines maintain the aggressive Lamborghini look while optimizing aerodynamic performance. The recognizable Y-shaped LED headlights from Lamborghini create a futuristic, instantly recognizable look. Scissor doors, adding a touch of drama and luxury. Lamborghini's iconic scissor doors ensure a striking presence wherever they are put. Low stance. The car's low stance enhances stability and performance while giving it a dynamic appearance. Opulent. High-tech interior. Spacious and adaptable living area. The clever interior design maximizes available space with a foldable carbon fiber bed and hidden storage areas. High-tech kitchenette. This kitchenette makes meal preparation on the go simple with its modern design and top-of-the-line appliances. System of advanced infotainment, AI-powered voice control and a big touchscreen for seamless connectivity and enjoyment. Leather chairs that recline. Each seat has its own entertainment system and offers great comfort on long journeys. AI-powered voice assistant, control every feature of your car, including the windows, doors, lighting, and temperature, with simple voice commands. Performance and safety, robust hybrid engine. The hybrid engine system offers outstanding performance over a range of terrains by balancing power and fuel efficiency in whatever road condition. Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system ensures superb handling and reliable traction by adapting to the conditions of the road. Adaptive air suspension offers a comfortable and stable ride. Excellent features for driver support, safety and maneuverability are enhanced by adaptive cruise control, automated emergency braking, lane keeping assistance, and a 360 video system. Carbon ceramic brakes offer reliable braking performance and superior stopping force.